Student, you are going to learn electric potential due to system of charges. System of charges means where there is more than one charges. Then what will be the electric potential at that place? Suppose here we have taking a xy axis, and this xy axis, here we have a charge q1. This is the origin where we required the potential, so we join this charge. The distance is r1. In the same way, here another charge, this is q2, distance is r2. In the same way, in this space there is another charge q3, q4 and q5, q6, q7, many charges are there. That this is a charge qn, so it is rn. So what will be the potential at O point due to first charge q1? Potential V1 equals to k q1 upon r1. Potential at point O due to second charge q2 is V2 equals to k q2 by r2. In the same way, when you move, then potential Vn equals to k qn by rn. Add these equations, you get V1 plus V2 plus dot dot Vn is equals to k q1 r1 plus k q2 r2 plus dot dot k qn by rn. So the potential due to n number of charges is the algebraical sum of individual potentials. This means that total potential V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus dot dot Vn. So you have learned that electric potential due to system of charges is the algebraical sum of individual potential. Now let us see a numerical to understand this topic. I am taking two charges. In this numerical I am giving you two charges. Let the charge is 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb is a single charge. Here the second charge will be let minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. Distance between two charges is let 15 centimeter. Now you have to find a point where the sum of these two charges is 0. You have to find a point where the potential is 0, where the net potential is 0. Question is obtain the point or s points. There will be more than one points where the net potential is 0 in following situation. So what will you do? Let us name it A, this is B. Let a point between A and B is a C point where the potential is 0. So here V is equals to VA, potential due to A, plus VB, potential due to B, this is equals to 0. So A to C is X. Then C to B is 15 centimeter minus X. So we know that V is equals to VA plus VB, this is equals to 0. So put the value of VA which is K Q1, this is Q1 upon X plus K Q2, this is Q2. So upon 15 minus X, the distance is 15 minus X, this is equals to 0. So you have Q1 by X is equals to minus Q2, 15 minus X. Put the value of Q1, this is 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 by X. Put the value of Q2 which is minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 by 15 minus X. So minus 10 to the power minus 8, 10 to the power minus 8 will cancel. This minus become plus. So you have 3 upon X is equals to 2, 15 upon X. Cross multiply it. So you have 45 minus 3x is equals to 2x. This means that 45 is equals to 5x, or x is equals to 45 upon 5. So you have x is equals to 9 centimeter. This means that from position A to C is 9 centimeter, where the potential is 0, and since it is 15 centimeter, so from position B to C this will be 6 centimeter. This is case 1. This is case 1. In case 1 we have find the potential, net potential 0 between the two charges. Now in the case 2, the point is beyond B. Let the point is C is here. So here you have B A plus BB. This is equal to 0. Let this is C point is there. So the distance from A to C will be now x. Since this is 15 centimeter, so from B to C is x minus 15 centimeter. The process will be same, that V is equals to VA plus VB, which is equals to 0. Now put the value of VA, K Q1 upon x, and put the value of B2, K Q2 upon x minus 15, which is equals to 0. So you have Q1 upon x is equals to minus Q2 upon x minus 15, because K will common out. Now put the value, Q1 is again 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 upon x, and Q2 is equals to minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 upon x minus 15. So you have the equation, this will cancel out. You have 3 upon x is equals to 2 upon x minus 15. Again cross multiply it. So you have 3x minus 45 is equals to 2x. So you have here this is 3x, 3x minus 2x is equals to 45, or this means that x is equals to 45 centimeter. So x will be equals to 45 centimeter from point A, where the potential will be 0. In the same way, if you want the third case, you will taking this side. If you will take this side on the LHS side, then this is the positive x-axis and this is the negative x-axis, and since plus charge is put here, minus is put here, and from here to here this is 45 centimeter. So from here to here it will be minus 45 centimeter. You perform the task and see that from, if C point is kept this point, then V is equals to minus 45 centimeter. It will become not V, then the distance x in this side is minus 45 centimeter. Just solve and check it. Okay. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.